Click on the link below to get price. The Pneumatic double Platen upsliding heat press machine is a game changer for anyone serious about sublimation printing. With its generous 16x24 heating surface, it offers ample space for larger designs, making it ideal for a variety of projects, from t-shirt printing to larger fabric items. The pneumatic operation is a standout feature, allowing for consistent pressure application, which is critical in achieving vivid and durable prints. Unlike traditional manual heat presses, this machine removes the strain and potential inconsistency of operator-applied pressure, ensuring an even transfer every time. One of the most impressive aspects of this heat press is its temperature and time control. The digital display allows for precise adjustments, ranging from 0 to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, accommodating a wide range of materials. Whether you are working with cotton, polyester, or blends, achieving the perfect conditions for sublimation is seamless. Additionally, the upsliding design is innovative. It allows for quick access and reduces the risk of burns, as you can easily slide items in and out without having to lift heavy platens. The build quality of the machine is robust, and it feels built to last. The solid structure minimizes vibrations during operation, contributing to a safe and stable working environment. Users will also appreciate the machine's efficiency. The ability to produce high-quality prints quickly will significantly enhance productivity, making it suitable for both home-based businesses and larger commercial operations. While the initial investment may be higher than traditional heat presses, the advantages in terms of quality, efficiency, and user-friendliness justify the cost. Furthermore, with proper care and maintenance, this machine promises longevity, making it a worthwhile addition to any sublimation setup. Overall, the Pneumatic double Platen upsliding heat press machine stands out as a professional-grade tool that delivers exceptional results, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned professionals in the sublimation printing industry.